Hi everyone, it's Tereese. I am back with another video. Today I'm here to share hashtag Deck the Year 2025, hosted by Penny over at Penny's Crafty Creation. I'm going to try and tag her down below, but let me know if it works or not, because I think I've seen on other people's channels or videos, those tags don't work anymore. So, please let me know in the comments below if I tag Penny down below, if it works, like if it will take you to her channel. If it doesn't, please let me know. I'll put it in my title next time. So it's Deck the Year. I am altering a 3x5 index card. It is week 39. I am in the fall mood. I've been in the fall mood since the beginning of September. And in October, I might be doing some Halloween, or I might just continue on with the fall theme. We'll see on that. So what I used was some Echo Park fall gingham paper. That this paper, it's a 12 by 12 sheet of paper, but it has small checks and big checks, or big gingham and small gingham, whichever word you want me to use. I covered the entire card, and I added this pumpkin paper that I got from Hobby Lobby. It was a pack of 25 sheets, and so I have a ton of these I want to use up. I added some leaves that I bought from Michael's way back in the day. I am using some words, wooden words, I guess. I don't know if it's wood veneers. I don't know if they're just plain words, or they're stickers on the back. So this one, I used the Grateful orange. So it came in orange, and I don't know if this was Hobby Lobby or if this was Target. This might have been Target. I'm not sure. But back in the day, I don't know if they have them anymore. But when I was gluing it on, or I was adding glue to the wood piece, I kind of broke it in half, and part of the orange layer flaked off. So I had to cover it with an acorn button that I had in my stash. Then I had a bow sitting on my desk here, so I was like, oh, perfect. It's autumn colors. Perfect. Glued that on. And then I added some of these table scatter leaves. It adds a little gold to it, and I thought it just adds a little something. I ink the edges, and that is my altered card. Now, what can you do with these? Well, I just saw Annie from Annie Creates here on YouTube. She added her 3x5 index cards to her cards. And I'll try and link her video down below so you can go check out that video, because it shows you how to use it and add to, I think it's, what do you call it? It's, oh my gosh, I can't remember. You guys are probably yelling in the, like, Therese, it's this. I think it's one of those half cut cards. And this is, I don't know what it's called, but go check her. I'll try and get her, or I'll try and link her video down below so you can go check her out. She does a fabulous tutorial on how to, and it's nothing new, but we don't, make cards that way a lot. So Annie just shows how to use these index cards to other projects. I think that was brilliant. Yeah. So this is my altered index card. for hashtag Deck the Year 2025. And I'll try to link Penny down below, Annie's video, and please go check out everybody at that hashtag as well. There are talented crafters. I think Penny said there's up to 40 channels doing this, so please go and check them all out and give them some crafty love. I want to thank everybody for watching. Have a great rest of your week, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, everyone.